Hello friend, now we learn the boundary blend command. When the boundary blend command is used, when different type of surface has been drawn, this time we can use the boundary blend command. We can easily understand the boundary blend command with a simple example. So to see this example, file, new, part, OK. So for that we can draw the sketch. So sketch top, OK. Now draw the one center line, OK. Now also draw the one simple example. Now mirror this, OK. This has been done. Now draw the another sketch in the front plane. So OK. Now reference is apply. Now reference is apply at this point. OK. Now draw the one curve also. First draw the center line at the end point. Now draw the one another curve also. OK. Now done. Now you can see these three curve. We can apply the three different trajectory at this point, middle point and last point. So for that first apply the datum point. First select the datum point at this point. Now one another new point at this curve and another new point at this end. OK. Now apply the datum plane. So select the datum plane and press Ctrl key and select the point. So this plane pass through this curve. OK. Now draw the one sketch on this surface. OK. For that select the references. Now select the three datum point as a reference and sketch the sketch has been passed through this point. OK. Done. Now one another sketch to apply the another datum point. OK. At this end you can also apply the one new point at this end, one new point at this end. OK. For that you can also apply the datum plane also pass through the datum point. OK. Now sketch the same figure. OK. So for that first select the reference, then press OK. Now draw the sketch. OK. Now draw the last one figure. at the middle. For that, apply the datum point, front plane and this surface. So you can easily see the datum point pass through this point. Now one new point is at this curve and a front plane. Okay, one another last one point pass through this curve and this plane. Okay, now draw the one sketch at the front plane, right plane. Okay, now select the references. Okay, now draw the same figure. Now you can see this figure. Okay, now we can draw all the sketches. Now apply the boundary blend command. So select the boundary blend. In this option there is a two surface, two chain. Select one by one. Apply the surface in a one direction first, then second direction. So select the first direction. So for that, select it. In the first one, to select this first, second and last one. Okay, this is the first direction. Now apply the surface in a third direction. This is the first, this one is the second, this one is the second, and this one is the last. Okay, now you can easily see the surface made by this curve, different curve. So you can easily see this type of surface made by this boundary blend command. Okay, thank you.